Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add a border to a rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. I have a rectangle. I already insert this. Add border to OA. Step 1. Select the shape tool or pen tool. Click stroke and select stroke color. Example black. Increase the size. Okay. And step 2. Click FX. Now see this FX stroke. Select stroke color. Example, I use this color, then increase the size, opacity. Okay, now we can see this add border a rectangle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.